Good evening, dear student. Now, after question number 9, moving to question number 10, that is short answer type questions. Slab 2, solve the following system of equations geographically. So, I'm choosing from here number 4. If after watching this video, you try any of the questions, one you can do. And if you find any problem, just send me. Just click the picture or you can send me with the video. I'll do correction. So I'm taking randomly question number 4. So we have to solve it first, finding 3 value of x for equation 1, finding three values of x and y for equation 1, then same for equation 2. There is a system. You please follow the example from the book also. Just bear with me. So in the book you can see there are some, but it's different. These are little bit simple. The one which we are doing is little lengthy, but you can go through how they are doing this table. This system will be same. Okay, this system is called substituting method. In linear equation there will be, listen video carefully, in linear equation there will be 3 system: substituting method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Since we have started only with the substitution method, we will follow that only. So I will start with the question without taking much time. Now see question number 4. See, we have question number 4, same starting, just moving this to the other side. See how this become minus, how this become plus. Equation 1, equation 2. Now from equation 1, how to solve this? Now from equation 1, we will start with equation 1. If you want, you can put x here. If you want, you will put y here. No problem. If you are putting y here, what you will do? You will take this on the other side. In this question, I am putting x. That's why I take y to the other side. Remember, if you put y here also, you have to take y. Since we are taking x, for this equation also I will take x. We cannot change. For this, we will take x. For this, we will take y. Then there will be problem. Alright, so what we are taking, see, we take this part, we write similarly. Now since I want to take x, I will take all other to the other side. Plus become minus. Therefore I'll just take x and this will be divisor. Minus 5 minus 3y divided by 2. Now this will be equation 3. So remember, now what this is x, so what we will take? We will take 3 value for y. It can be 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, any value you take for y. But always remember, after multiplying with 3 and after minus and plus with any number, here is what divisor is 2. So any number we get, it should be divisible by 2. Now you see 1, then I will show you. What I am taking here, I am taking y equal 1 in equation 3. That means here now I will take 1. In place of y, we will take 1. What we have? What we were writing? Minus 5 minus 3 multiply with 1. I am changing the value of y by 1. Divided by 2. Everything is same. See? Everything is same. Just taking y equal 1. So what we are doing? Y equal 1. Now minus 5 minus 3 into 1 will be minus 3. Now minus minus plus. But the sign will remain minus. So minus 8 by 2. What we are getting? Minus 8 by 2, that is 4. Now what is the value of x? This is x. We are getting 4. Yes or no? This side we have. This side we have x. Okay. So we are getting x equal 4. Now how we will write? Therefore x equal minus 4. Good. Now you see x equal minus 4 and y is 1. Every time you finish to take like this, you have to write this part always. Okay. X minus 4 and y is 1. Now I want to show you just a rough one. Okay, just see. So just now we got, this is not required. Okay, I was trying to write but mistake. So x equal minus 4 and here y equal 1. Now you see what we take, y equal 1 and what we are getting, minus 8. At the end we get minus 8. Okay, it's good because we can divide by 2. But remember, whatever you take here at the end, it should be always divisible. Suppose if we get 11, if we get 23, if we get 7, 5, we cannot divide by 2. So whenever there is a fraction, this is called fraction. When there is a denominator, it's not simple to take y. Whatever you plan to take as a y, remember at the end you should be able to divide. Suppose I just took here, in place of y, if we are taking 2, let's see what will happen. Minus 3 into 2 will be minus 6. Minus minus plus. So we are getting 11. 11 by 2. It is not divisible, and answer, if you are getting minus or plus, it's okay, no problem. But if you get in fraction, we cannot plot this in our graph. So there will be a problem, remember. So this is wrong. Whatever you take at the end, remember, it should be divisible with the divisor. If we don't have divisor, that's okay. You take anything. If there is no fraction, it's good. But if there is a fraction, denominator is there, you have to choose the number very carefully. Okay, you don't need to write this, just write this. Now we have to take 3 value for y and we will get 3 value for x. Now again, taking y equal minus 1 in equation 3 we have. Now again here we will take in place of y minus 1. So we are taking minus 5, 3 into y. Now 3 into minus 1, minus minus plus 5. Minus 5 into 3 will be, 5 minus 3 will be 2. Sign will be minus. 2 divided by 2 will be 1. Sign will be minus. So what we are getting? X minus 1, y minus 3. This is the second one. Lastly, taking y equal 3 in equation 3 we have. Now in place of y, what we will write? 3. So this become 9. Minus 9 minus minus plus. This is 14. Sign will remain minus, divided by 2. So what we are getting? 7. Minus 7. Y 3 and x minus 7. So whatever we took here, 8 is divisible by 2. Next, 2 is divisible by 2. Here 14 is divisible by 2. So here see. After finding 3 values, 1, 2, and this is third one. So for equation 1, table 1, x value you will write, whatever x, see, minus 1, minus 7, y is 3, y is minus 1, and this was the first, this one. With this we complete equation 1. Next will be equation 2. See, first we completed equation 1. Again I will show you. We took x and everything on the left. Now substituting y once, then secondly, and then lastly, and after that we got the table. Now from equation 2, that is second part of the question, again I took x here, only y, because in the first part also we take x. Suppose if I take with y in the second part also, I have to continue with y. Now moving this down and taking this will be divisor. Minus, here it become plus 2y. So after equation 3 we have this equation 4. Now whatever I take value of y, I have to remember that at the end it should be divisible by 3. Otherwise fraction we cannot plot in the graph. So what I am taking first, y equal 0 in equation 4. That means now in place of y we will write 0. So writing 0, it will be 0. 12 plus 0, 0, that is 12 divided by 3 is 4. So x for y 0. Again taking y equal minus 3 in equation 4. Now in place of y will be minus 3. So minus 6, 12 minus 6, 6 by 3 is 2. So what we are getting, x to y was minus 3. Similarly you follow, but at the end remember, whatever we get here, it should be carefully. It should not be 5, 7, 11. Then it won't be divisible by 3. Then we cannot plot fraction. Suppose 1 by 2, how we will put in the graph? We cannot do that, okay? So lastly what we are taking? Lastly taking y equal 3 in equation 4. In place of y there will be 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 12, 18. 18 is divisible by 3, and that one we will get, therefore x equal 6. So we are getting x equal 6 and y is 3. So table 2 what we are getting? Table 2 we are getting, see, x is 2, y is minus 3. X is 2, y is minus 3. 1 we are getting x 4, y 0. X 4, y 0, and last one is x 6, y 3. So we are getting 2 table. Second table is this one, and this was the first table. Now at the end we will plot this table and this table in the graph. So I'll continue the graph. So we have both the table 1, table 2. Look at the graph. So this line we have x. Okay, I'll turn the mobile. This part is called x and x dash, and this perpendicular line is called y and y dash. So always remember, if there will be fraction, how we will do? All of you can see, I think. So remember, the graph is divided into 4 parts. Okay, this is called first quadrant. The 4 parts has different name. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant, or we can say first, second, third, fourth quadrant. So here we have, you can see in the middle we have 0. This is all the positive integers, negative integers. Here positive integers, and here negative integer. This is 10x positive. See, this is x dash. This is x negative, x dash. Here we have y negative, y dash. This is not y1, okay, y dash. And this is y positive. Whenever we have positive number, we will go upward. If negative integer of y, down. Positive integer of x, right. Negative integer of x, left. So we will have to focus with the table and graph. Table and graph. So this is table 1. So what we have here is x minus 4, y 1. So both the numbers has to go hand in hand on the same time. Minus 4 plus 1. See nicely. Minus 4 plus 1. Where we will have minus 4? We are having minus 4 on the left. See, this is x minus 4. Y is plus. Y, where we have plus? Upward. So we move upward. Minus 4 moving upward, we get here minus 4 and 1. So we stop here. So we put a small dot. And we make a circle. This will be minus 4, 1. Okay. Next is what? Minus 1, minus 1. X minus 1, y minus 1. Again we have x minus 1, y minus 1. That means, see, y, this is plus. This is y minus here. So here it's coming. You give a dot and make small circle. We write minus 1, minus 1. Lastly is minus 7 and 3. Where we have x minus, see here no minus. Here all the minus are here. So minus 7. Y is plus. Plus means upward. So 3 we are getting here. Minus 7, 3. So you put a dot and make a circle. We write all the integer beside. And then whenever you join, try to join the dots. You should not take extra. Just join. Make your pencil sharp and join it very nicely. And then near this line, what we will write? Equation 1. Because this is table 1. And what was the equation 1? Equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equal minus 5. So see, we wrote 2x plus 3y equal minus 5. This is the first table. Now second table is x4 y0. x4 y0. So y0 and x4. See, y we don't need to move up and down. Why? Because 0 will be on the line. Y is 0, x plus 4, so we will be on the axis, it is called. If y is 0, we will get the value on the x-axis. If x is 0, we will get the value on the y-axis, here somewhere on the axis, on the line. So we put a dot and we mark 0. Next value is 2 and minus 3. So again we have 2 and minus 3 will be down. Here minus 3. So we put a dot and make a circle. Last value is 6 and 3. So where we have 6, 6 is here and 3 plus, that means upward. So see, here we have 3. 6 and this is 3. So we are getting 6 and 3. Again this is second table and see what we are getting. How many dots? 1, 2 and 3. Similarly you have to join it very nicely. Just join the dots. Don't make it blunt. Don't make it big. Sharp it very nicely. Since this was table 2, we will write is equation 2, that is 3x minus 2y equal 12. Near the line you have to write the value. What we can see that equation 1 and equation 2, they meet each other at one point, and the point is 2 minus 2 and minus 3, that is x is 2 and y is minus 3. But remember, here they are not asking whether the line are intersecting or write the meeting point. In this question, the question was just solve the following system of equation graphically. After solving in your exercise copy, you have to do the same one with the graph. So here you will just do, they are not asking intersecting line or write the value. Just draw the graph, plot the points, see, plot the points, write the equation, write your x, write your y. After that, just write, thus the above graph is the required graph. Practice this properly. I want all of you to practice this graph, and you can try other question. If you have any doubt regarding the graph, you can call me at the same time. And you can try the remaining any question, you just try and send me the video and the picture of your graph. Alright? Okay, practice it nicely. Thank you.